Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's nail art video features one of the shades from Heroin NYC's breast cancer awareness campaign, plus 2 other polishes from their fall lineup. If you missed my swatch video of Heroin NYC's fall lineup, you can click the card that's in the corner of your screen or the link in the description box below. And if you want to help support Heroin NYC's breast cancer awareness campaign, for every purchase of Sugar Spun, Blush Babe, Bubblegum, Mean Girl, and Same Old Love during the month of October, they will be donating 100% of the net profits to the National Breast Cancer Foundation. I'll leave a link down below to their blog post where you can learn more about this campaign and shop these polishes, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the nail art tutorial. On my middle 2 nails, I'll be starting off with Between the Sheets, which is a pink neutral cream polish. I applied 2 coats and then a fast drying top coat because I'm going to be using some nail vinyls on top. Then I'm going to use these regular Chevron nail vinyls from What's Up Nails and place it so that the tip of the vinyl is about 1/3 of the way down my nail. I'm going to use Rosé All Day, which is a metallic rose gold polish, to fill in the area above the nail vinyl, and then I'm going to fill in the rest with Same Old Love, which is a dusty rose cream polish. And to get clean lines, I'm going to remove the nail vinyl immediately from my nail before the polish has a chance to dry, and finish off with a coat of a fast drying top coat. And here is the finished simple chevron design. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to support Heroin NYC's breast cancer awareness campaign, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!